Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. This is review time. Let's start. Choose the correct option. 1. He devised the most equitable plan for the setting of the black stone. The underlined word means equitable means that is based on balance and justice. The most reasonable. 2. He decided every case brought to him by a friend or foe with justice, without fear or favor. The underlined word means friend or foe. Foe is the opposite of friend, so it is enemy. 3. Their ancestors killed a member of our family. The underlined word means ancestors. Abau Ajdad. These are forefathers. 4. Prior to the first day of the new year, it is customary for families to thoroughly clean their houses. The underlined word means first day se pehle. So, it is preceding. 5. Another popular custom is to hang up signs and posters on doors and windows with the Chinese word fu written on them. The underlined word means custom. वो करते रहते हैं, ये चीज़ रिवाज है उनके यहाँ. So it is practice. First aid knowledge ranges from taking care of cuts to dealing with an unconscious victim. The underlined word means this is sufferer. Victim वो होता है जिसके साथ कुछ बुरा हुआ होता है. 7. The synonym of persevere is to persist, to stay on something. 8. The synonym of reward is, of course you know, this is prize. While dealing with these MCQs, keep this thing in mind. Either you are asked about the synonym or the antonym. Sometimes students get confused in these two words. 9. The antonym of mighty is, mighty means powerful. So, इसका opposite क्या होगा? इसका antonym is weak. 10. The antonym of fail is, the opposite of fail is succeed. 11. The accident was due to his ruthlessness. The underlined word is an dash noun. Zulm. Is it a collective noun or concrete or abstract? This is a feeling. This is a non-tangible thing. So this is abstract noun. 12. Our job is to keep the audience happy. The underlined word is a and dash noun. Audience, when people gather at some place and form a group, they become audience. So, it is a collective noun. 13. We have to take the bus dash tomorrow morning. Early, earlier, earliest. Here, no comparison is given, or we are not asked to choose amongst many things. So, the simple early is the right option. It means we don't need any comparative or superlative degree here. 14. We dash our bottle, so we could use it again. Cleaning, clean and cleaned. Cleaning is no option because there is no helping verb. ing होने के लिए यहाँ पे किसी न किसी helping verb का होना ज़रूरी था. So, clean and cleaned. Look at the second part of this sentence. We could use it. If there is second form of can is used, we will use second form at the first part of the sentence. So, यानी एक साइड पे past है तो दूसरी साइड पे भी past होगा. We cleaned our bottle, so we could use it again. 15. Ali was impressed dash Sarmat's grades. When we are impressed from someone, it is impressed by. But if we are impressed from something, it is impressed with. As grades is a thing. So we will say Ali was impressed with Sarmad's grades. 16. Last summer we dash many places. Visited, had visited, have visited. Have visited is present. So last summer is past. Have visited is no option. Now visited and had visited. Had visited वहाँ पे आता है जहाँ पे पहले एक पास्ट की बात हो चुकी हो और आपने रिमोट पास्ट की बात करनी हो. Had visited is an option there. बट यहाँ पे सिंपल लास्ट समर की बात हो रही है, सिंपल पास्ट है. सो visited is the right option. 17 is all students dash for prizes. Competes, compete and competing. Again, there is no helping verb, so competing is no option. And all students is plural. Plural noun has no s or es with its verb. So competes is a wrong option. Compete is the right option. 18. Didn't you see the sign? You dash drive at more than 30 miles an hour. क्या नसीहत की जा रही है उसे कि साइन नहीं देखा था? You should not. क्योंकि एक सिंपल एडवाइस की जा रही है. मस्ट नॉट में ज़ोर ज़बरदस्ती होती है और मे नॉट में एक सजेशन होता है, बट यहाँ पे एक एडवाइस है. सो शुड नॉट. 19. You dash find Lubna in the garden, but I doubt it. Can, must, might. Can is used for ability. Must is something obligatory, ज़रूरी. And might is an ability with some doubt. So, जब उसने कह दिया कि but I doubt it, तो इसका मतलब है कि मिल सकती है लुबना तुम्हें गार्डन में. Might. 20. Choose the correct spelling. You know, intercede starts with I and C is in center, so B option is correct, intercede. This is the portion from grammar and composition. We have done 30 pair of words. Now 15 more pair of words are in your homework from 31 to 45. These are at page number 176 and 177 of English Grammar and Composition book. And second task is paragraph translation 6, 7 and 8. And these paragraphs are at page number 138 and 139. And 2 essays are there for your homework of this week. My last day at school and sports and games. Learn well all these things. Keep your spirits up. Organize yourself to be a disciplined student. Let's meet in a short while with next lesson. Allah Hafiz.